Okay guys, something new for the 365 Hawaii Real Estate Minute channel is that we are going to start actually doing a little more videos around the neighborhoods and the areas that you might want to know about. And by doing that, we're going to actually pick houses that are actually for sale right now and showing you the location, neighborhood, and actually a kind of like a type of house that is being created. So we are starting that off this week. We are going to take it through the fall. Drop your comments in, see if this is what you guys want more of. But it'll give you a chance to see home styles, also elevation, views, and learn more about living in Kona. Okay, so we are at this new listing on Walua Road, and it's at the southern end of Walua Road, and it has an amazing ocean view. You can see all the way down to Kona, all the way to Keauhou, down at the Outrigger. But there's three things I like about this house. One, it's got room. It's got 1,700 square feet. I like the price. It's $1,025,000. Normally, with a home with this kind of a view, with this kind of a square footage, it's going to cost a lot more. And then number three is the fact that you are close to town. You can go drop right down into Keauhou, right here at the Keauhou Shopping Center. You're right next to the ocean. You're pretty much centrally located. A couple things about this house, however, since it was built in 1971, it needs to be upgraded. So if you like to have a creative experience around getting new flooring and a new kitchen and stuff, this is it. But at this point right now, though, it's livable, and it has a beautiful screened-in area. So if you have a dog or a cat, they can actually be kind of inside-outside along with you. And also, this has definitely a place for people who have creativity in the garden and also in renovations. Come take a look at it.